All right, let's start. Those who are there now, I don't want to waste more time. We have very limited time, 30 minutes for this group. So I would like to hear from you in like a minute, in a minute or so. How has your progress been? I have read most of the write-up that you all have done. The purpose for this call today is to see if you are struggling with your research questions. Okay, that is the main objective behind this, because the rest of the paper would very much depend upon how you have got your research questions sorted. So let's start.
Yeah, before that, sir, I would like to ask you about the research question. You did mention about what and how question.
Yeah.
Yep. Um, how this question, what, how this will, is it will dictate the types of methodology that we're going to conduct for our research?
No, the methodology will still be the same, but when you look for the answers to the questions, you would have to look for more information. You know, if you're looking at a what, it might be a straightforward answer that you could find from the research paper. So what are the different methods? What are the different techniques? Like those, what kind of questions can be easily found? But if it is a how, a type of question which is about how, it would require you to kind of infer the knowledge from that paper. So it may or may not be explicitly mentioned in the article, like a what question. So which is why the how questions can be a little bit more interesting for readers as well as reviewers.
As you can read from my write up here, I did mention about the manufacturing sector in general. So I did not mention any specific sector to be looked into. The aims of my research is to look into the specific manufacturing sector, which is the printing industry. Should
Yep.
I mention that in the SRR, or how do you
Yeah.
recommend this?
So what I suggest is having a focus is useful. And for all those who are doing the smart manufacturing and predictive analytics or AI related, this applies to everyone. So just doing a broad survey on smart manufacturing will not be advisable, because there may be already papers that there are out there. So one way is you could select a subtopic within the smart manufacturing area. Alternatively, you can take smart manufacturing and apply it's and see how it can be applied in different industry sectors. So like you mentioned, Yusuf, for printing industry, that could be one area, but there could be other areas as well. So that kind of a distinction or a narrowing down of the topic could be relevant.
So I need to mention that in the SRR. Yeah.
Yes, you would need to. Yeah. So I'm just looking at your research question. Just let me, for example, your question is, yeah. So to answer that question, you may be able to find it easily because it is a what type of question. So you might find out those answers, but then you can also extend that question by considering that how could this be then applied in printing industry or some other industry. So that is how findings of your SLR would be more relevant. Yeah, but other questions look all right for you. Who is next?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, you actually helped me out with a list of research questions on that, basically.
Yeah.
So I have after the suggestions of yours, I have actually read through the SLRs that I have identified.
Yeah.
And I actually found that actually the most of the research papers which actually been in the SLR
Yeah.
have been discussing only on the single case, or that is explicitly on how to improve such processes, or some of the niche area within the manufacturing processes. But the papers actually, or I mean, like, it's never covered from the overall supply chain perspective of how this particular smart factory can help supply chain achieve it resiliency, or in some sort.
Yeah.
And also, one of the paper have mentioned that there are a vast number of papers in the supply chain, which they actually eliminated a lot of papers for their review. So is there any possible way that I can use this as my research focus? Or
Yes, I think that sounds good. So other than what I have suggested you, if you want to incorporate these ideas, definitely go for it.
okay, so I can use your the format that you have given, so I can include this focus area to elaborate the question further, right?
Yes, yeah, for sure.
Okay, okay, great, sir. Okay,
Is that all?
thanks. Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Let's move on.
Yeah, good morning, Professor Vid. Actually, as I said yesterday, am I audible?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, as I said yesterday, I was, struggling to get, the research questions and all.
Yeah.
And I've been reading a lot actually from last, 10 days about, all these papers. And yesterday, somehow I have got the paper, the most relevant paper, the recent paper actually. So where they have written a paper like researchers' perspective on Industry 4.4, multidisciplinary analysis and opportunities for operations management,
Yeah.
by Professor Ivanov from International Journal of Production Research. Actually, I have read the whole paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have even suggested the future research and all the kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I have identified a problem now.
Okay.
So because yesterday, as per the discussions what you have suggested, you can focus your shift, you focus on a specific area actually as per the gaps what they have identified in the research paper. So I have identified two areas. One is they have clearly conducted the global research survey actually, how the researchers in the area of Industry 4.0 actually doing. So they have come up with a kind of the future the gaps in the research.
Yeah.
So where they there are several things are there. I found two topics are very close to my area of research.
Okay.
One is the, and the other one is they also suggesting like how this I have zeroed that. I will update all my work within this next 2 days, sir. In the document I will share with you.
Okay, that sounds good.
So I'll come up with, because I have identified few of the papers, almost close to some 60 to 70 papers I have already identified.
Yeah.
So I've been doing this job, first of all, identifying the papers. I'll come up with this in this week, the whole paper actually, because now I have got all, the arrangement of way to fit all this kind of things, matrix I have developed.
Mhm.
And then slowly I'll put everything and then prepare the manuscript as per the requirements.
Okay, sounds good. Perfect.
Right, sir.
Cool.
So
Thanks.
thank you,
Thanks
sir.
again.
I can say it is a kind of hand-holding exercise what you are doing. Really, I appreciate because where we can express whatever we think, because we while working we get too many doubts actually. To ask this kind of doubts to anybody, they think, some people may think that this is so silly or something like that. But this is a platform where we can talk openly,
Yeah.
because there are others participants also there, so it is useful to everyone, I can say. Thank you very much for this wonderful initiative, Professor
Cool.
Vid.
That sounds good. And also, I'm also enjoying reading all your write-ups.
Yeah.
I'm reading like 30 papers at the same time and see them evolve. So it's
Oh,
like
great.
ideas from this one probably useful in this one, and somebody writes something else. I thought you should also look into it. So collectively, when all these papers will finish, they will be like a really strong amalgamation of ideas from like all of
Yes,
you.
yes.